Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, are you entitled or do you deserve more? Ask this yourself, please. Okay. Think. That is the best recipe to become unhappy. If we appreciate everything that we get, then we get even more. Imagine your boss, family, girlfriend, spouse, or friend are angry that you demand more than they like to give you. Do you think with your demands you can force them? Or do you think you discourage them to give you what you want? A happy and thankful person that is grateful for everything that we give him or her and even smiles is much more attractive for receiving. I honestly admit that I don't demand too much because of fear of rejection. Still, I'm not a happy and thankful receiver, and so I reject unconsciously. We should be receiving always with the highest appreciation, and so we get much more. And even worse, I think if I receive too much or for free, that I get bored from that giver and I'm losing my independence, so unconsciously reject. Okay, things is over. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.